Another architectural wonder. Ano naman, no? We're just outside Museum of the Future. No? This is Museum of the Future. Nasa labas. And here, right in the major road here in Dubai. Ang ganda ng the skyline is grabe, no? Ganda. You know. This one is anong pangalan ng marker na to? What is this marker? Anong tawag niya?
This is a sign of Dubai.
Sign of Dubai.
Sign nila. Kaya sabi ko dapat pagawin nyo rin si John sa hand sign. Puro kasi tayo mga number 1.
This is
One Johnson.
major along the major highway. No? But dito kami galing sa loob. Itong Museum of the Future. Then dito yung parang marker. They say this is the hand sign of Dubai. Ayan.
Grabe kainitin.
Ayan. Okay. Ang ganda ng skyline here, ha? It's so modernistic. Ayan. Ito yung Dubai tour ng bus. Okay. Dubai sign. Amen. Ayun. Yung baba. Okay.